Hello, welcome back for episode 3 of Treasure Hunting with Mae Crosby. Today, here, we have a colorful laptop cooling pad by Liangstar. I desperately need one of these, so I am excited to dig into it. Let's go. So on the back here, we have specifications and basically what the laptop cooling pad has in terms of content. You have two big 125mm fans, a USB port extender, 7 colorful fan lights, as well as an anti-slip holder, which is very important considering you're using a laptop. And then over here we have more in-depth specifications. Now it's made of metal and plastic. It is 125 by 125 and 15 millimeters. So it's not too big. It can hold up to a 15.6-inch laptop. It is very light. It is only 1.2 pounds, so it'll be really easy to carry in a backpack or just for traveling purposes. The fan noise is 26 decibels, so that's very quiet. The normal speaking voice is about 50 to 60 decibels, so that is a huge plus with this. The airflow is 74.35 cubic feet per minute, which is quite fast, especially for such a small device. So I guess let's try it out. All right. So in here, you have a little piece of paper that just has the specifications written on it. And then on the other side, you have the user manual, comprised of only 2 steps of how to connect it to your laptop. This is what the front of it looks like. It is quite see-through because of the holes and of course allowing airflow. But you got this cool design, and then you got the 2 fans, and they will light up when I plug it in. So now the one thing I'm not too happy about with this is that it's not battery powered, which would be optimal, like battery and recharging it. You have to use a USB port, which a lot of the laptops, I know, especially Macs, don't really come with these, and you need a little extender. My laptop needs an extender. I do not have a USB port built into it, so I'm going to use that. So first of all, I'm going to plug it in. So it's on right now. You can see the colors changing, and I don't really know if you can hear a lot of it, but it is quite quiet to me. Oh, one more thing I forgot. You do have these little set things right here. You just lift up, and it'll keep your laptop from falling or sliding. On the bottom, you also have little speedies, so it can be up at a slant, which is easy for ergonomically. And it just sets on like that. This doesn't like move at all, which is very nice. Is that a good slant for ergonomic purposes? And yeah. So this laptop colorful cooling pad was by Liangstar. You can get it off Amazon for about $15.99, which is a pretty good price. It's a great improvement for your laptop, and I definitely can't wait to be using it more. Thanks for joining me with Treasure Hunting with Mae Crosby. I hope to see you back again for the next episode.